What would your life look like at every different wealth level? Same you, but a totally different reality at each level. We'll dive into 6 levels of wealth, imagine what life could look like for you at each, what percentage of people are at that level, and what it takes for you to get to the next one. Level 1 is survival. Every dollar is already spent. Rent, food, bills. One surprise expense can break everything. Around 40% of people are at this level, where they're paycheck to paycheck. The focus for you here isn't investing, it's staying afloat and avoiding financial damage. And what gets you to the next level is gaining skills to increase income and or lowering your expenses. Level 2 is stability. Your bills are covered. With some gap between your income and expenses, you're at a level where about 60% of people get to, where they're able to make a small emergency fund. Stress drops slightly and you start getting better sleep, as you've got some peace of mind that if you lost your job, you would be all right and have a little bit of time to find a new one. You're not ahead yet, but you're not drowning just trying to stay afloat. Breathing room begins to appear for the first time. Level 3 is control. You start gaining clarity as you tell your money where to go and have a plan. Debt starts shrinking and you pay off high interest debt like credit cards. About 43% of people reach this level in their lifetimes. Spending becomes tracked. You are able to buy some fun things that you've always wanted and to travel because you're budgeting and are careful to maintain a gap between income and expenses. This is where discipline builds and small decisions begin shaping long term outcomes. With a steady plan in place, you have a strategy on how you can help your future, which gets you to the next level. Level 4 is growth. The money you've invested starts working for you alongside the work that you're already doing at your job. Investments, retirement accounts, all slowly building over time. Only 1 in 3 make it to this level where they are investing outside of or in addition to having a 401k. Progress speeds up, but patience matters. And seeing your assets grow, you're excited and start saving and investing more once you see the potential building. You see that there could be a time when you don't need to work full time or could switch to a job that's less stressful. Time becomes your biggest advantage instead of your biggest enemy. Level 5 is freedom. Only about 1 in 10 ever make it to this level in their lifetimes, but you've made it here and life is sweet. Your income isn't tied to one job anymore, and you gain freedom to leave your job and pursue whatever you'd like. A project, less hours, or a lower stress job, you've got options at this level. Multiple income streams grow that you've built over time. Choices expand. Level 6 is high level wealth. Only about 1 to 2% of people ever make it to this level in their lifetime. You can give yourself a big pat on the back at this level as your assets generate enough to not only cover your life, but also allow you to live your best life without financial constraints. Risk also decreases. Focus shifts from earning to protecting and passing it forward. Each level has different rules and its own challenges. What works at survival won't build high level wealth. You'll need to adapt as you climb. The key is to focus on your next level, not someone else's finish line. Master the stage that you're in. If you want more breakdowns like this, hit subscribe to keep learning.